This is branching out, letter I. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, that was a rubbish shake. The shake should be more like. And that's a long fall at the end. Just to run through a couple of other bits. Any trills and mordants and stuff, don't worry about that. The scoops can either be like, or you can do them as just grace notes. The going into bar 93, the one crotchet before 93 is 1, 2, 3, da 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 da. So it starts on the beat. 1, 2, 3. Sforzando. That's the bar before K. At K, don't worry about doing the diddles if that's too tricky. I know they're not on all of your parts anyway. It could just be what. L, those kind of written straight glisses could be half valved if your horns, trombones, they're glisses, saxes, just probably chromatic like I played them before. So. Or whatever suits your instrument. Don't worry about that thing in 109 if it's tricky. Yeah, that thing. Shake can be done as a trill if you're a sax player, maybe if you're a trumpet player. That fall at the very end wants to be as long as possible. Again, if you're a sax player, if you're trombone, you can just go out really slow. If you're a sax player, you probably want to do like a chromatic scale. Trumpets, I like that half valve the way I did it. Yeah, that's all.